Hello friends, on this video how you can private your photos and videos on OnePlus Tab. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, click on setting. When you move on setting, from here you can see there's many options on the right side. Okay, or I mean left side. So what you need to do is start here, you just keep scrolling, and on the left side you can see the option of the privacy. So click on privacy. When you move on privacy, here on the right side you can see the privacy safe option. So friends, tap on privacy safe. Then first of all, to set up here you have to set password. Click on set password, and you can change the password also. Password type, from here this is to use a different password type, 4 digit, 4 to 16 pattern, alphanumeric. Which one you are favorable, you can select from here. Okay, suppose I draw the pattern, then and redraw the pattern again. Then here you have to name your former teacher name. Example, like I type here my former teacher name. Then here on this corner, so friends, click on tick. After you click on tick here, just tap on got it. When you click on got it, from here you can hide right now your images, videos, audio, documents and other file also. I click on images, then no data it says. Okay, you just click some images and you can hide it. Okay, I'll show you right. So friends, then I click again on privacy and confirm my password. Then click again on images and video. It says no data here. You can click on plus icon. Okay, then from here you are able to see many images. Okay, and from here I select this picture. Then here see, I select here the picture. You can select more picture. Then after that, here it is set as private. Click on set as private, and these images will be in private. Okay, in private folder. So you too, you can set like this easily, even the videos and photos, even the audio also. If you want to private, here is the plus icon. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.